cool, eh?
My intentional man.
I know.
My sweetheart.
I know.
The man that owns my heart.
I know.
Where's my husband? Where has he gone to?
No problem. I come sign receipts. No.
I believe that something is holding him hostage. Sheriff, I believe that just some more time.
I want to ask, what's attracted you to your husband? Because the I know will never settle for less.
What kind of stupid question is that?
What's the difference between this thing and mosquito net? No, just look see the way my things are waving bye to everybody on this street. What is going on here now?
You girls were talking down on the love of my life. The man that is paying for this meal that you are eating. You were talking about him. I wanted to fight you girls, but I just spoke to myself. I said, no, there's no need fighting these broke girls that cannot even learn to mind their business.
Enough of that nonsense. I cannot sit down here and you come out here and be running this house. Enough is enough. Stop that rubbish.
Will you shut up your mouth? Look at you with a jobless boyfriend that has no direction in life. All he does is to sag his trouser. The only property he has in this life is that tripod that he uses for TikTok videos.
You are mad.
Lord of the Ring, you've been dating a guy for the past 3 years. Nothing to show. That's broke fool. All you do is to clinch around him, go around him and be stupid. I thought by now you would have had sense.
Oh, I don't need your opinion on what to do.
Rich kid. When I touch you like this,
Hey! Onto what am I? Yeah? What do you now? If they practice snake bite? Is what?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.